Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send a message to anyone on Craigslist. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in craigslist.org and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Craigslist website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the account icon at the top right corner and proceed forward with your credentials. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, you will be able to browse through various different items that are on sale or within offer. Now, when you come across an item that you are interested in, go ahead and click on it, and you can see the further details about this app. If you wish to contact the seller, then click on the reply button and you will find the email option. Click on the drop-down menu to find the email address, and you can simply copy this email to your clipboard and then log into your email account. Then proceed with composing a new email, and now just paste the email address within the recipient section. Now within the subject section, just type in the subject of your inquiry and then enter your preferred message within the main body. You can then click on the send button, and now all you need to do is wait for the reply with the poster's counteroffer. And with this process, you can get in touch with any seller on Craigslist if you wish to buy any product. And there you have it. That is how you can message someone on Craigslist. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.